Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope that you are doing well. My name is Ivy, and if you are new on this channel, you are most welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to this channel to support my content. And on today's video, I'll be giving you a kitchen refresh and organize video. I hope that by the end of this video, you will be motivated to clean up your kitchen, especially your cabinet. That is where we shall be concentrating on those spaces that we tend to forget, because the things that we have stored on those spaces we don't use every day, and that is our cabinets under the sink. Yeah, if you have those kitchen cabinets where you store the kitchenwares that you don't use every day, that is what we shall be concentrating on. So I hope that you'll be motivated and that you will watch this video till the end. And if you are watching this video, kindly do like, so that my video will be recommended to more people. And kindly, if you're in a position, share my video, and at the end of this video, kindly leave your comment on what you think about it. I'm starting by clearing things that were over this sink, because this is where I'll be using as my surface. I'll be placing what I'll be removing from the cabinets here, so that I can clean them. Jungle of love. For my cabinet, I'll be using this dishwashing soap, and it works perfectly well. And then I'll add in white vinegar. If you have white vinegar, you can use it. This is what I use because the smell keeps the cockroaches away if you have cockroaches in your kitchen, and so this can help prevent getting them. And also, if you have another detergent that you think one can use to clean up the cabinets and the surfaces, kindly share on my comment and we shall read them. You might help one or two people. To make my work easier, I'll be removing everything from the cabinets. And guys, I thought I'll just be wiping them, because I am just doing a refresh of the kitchen. And guess what? They are so dirty. They are full of dust, and so I have changed my mind, and I'll be deep cleaning them. That is cleaning them all over again with soap and water, so that I can return everything in these shelves clean and sparkling clean. And you can see there is a cockroach up there that is really disturbing me, and that is why I've told you I love using vinegar, so that I can avoid these types of embarrassment. Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world. To my new subscribers on this channel, we do homemaking, cleaning videos, hauls, and a lot of cooking. And so today I'm giving you a cleaning motivational video. So I hope that you will stay tuned, that you will subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment on what you think about this channel, because you will love it here. Here we do everything home, that is cleaning, and kindly subscribe to this channel and join the family.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And this is how my cabinets turned out after deep cleaning. And guys, the brown thing that you see there is not dust. It's just that my cabinets have faded, and that is why they are turning color. But as you can see, I left them sparkling clean, and I love it this way. And so the next thing that we shall do is to clean up everything. And as you can see, guys, they are very many and very dusty. Yeah, it is not dirty but dusty. I don't know where they get dust from, but we shall be cleaning them. That is deep cleaning. I'll just use water and soap because I wanted just to wipe them off, but I'll do a deep clean of everything. So guys, let us clean.
Between us, it's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. See you again. See you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong.
Guys, let me know in the comment section which kitchen appliances or those gadgets that you have in your kitchen that you don't use every day, or you normally don't use at all. Because as for me, for this bread toaster, I have used it about a month since I bought it. I only use it 1 month, and that is when I bought it. The first month, I guess I had a lot of sight, but after that I normally don't use it at all. It has around a year and a half without using it, and it had accumulated a lot of dust, yeah, because it's not in use. So I don't check on it if it's working or not. And yeah, but I'll try and see if I can make use of it, because there are some things that we do buy because of pressure, that is peer pressure, especially the kitchen gadgets. Let me know in that comment section which are those kitchen appliances that you bought due to peer pressure. Because for me, I remember I bought this, and I also have a hand mixer that I have never used. I bought them on Jumia, and so comment down below and tell me about you.
But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
And if you have watched my previous video, you will understand that my blender broke down, and I realized while I was washing it, it opened. Yeah, the downside, as you can see, opened. It was a bit loose, and so when I blended the tomatoes, it opened, and that is why it poured everything. And here I'm just trying to tighten it on the downside, and I'm glad because it worked perfectly well after tightening it. And I thank God, because this would have been another budget that was not planned for, but I thank God for that. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section, how is this part of the blender used, because this thing is still new. I have never used it, because how do I use it actually? I don't know how to use it. When I close it like this, it still opens and it pours whatever I'm blending, and so I don't use it. So if you know how to use it, kindly leave a comment and let me know how I can make use of it.
Know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show it my best friend. She took my life, my happy end in hard times. Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want okay. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. Oh baby. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause
And here is everything after cleaning them. And so I'll let them stay here for about 20 minutes so that they can dry off, and then I'll wipe them off as I arrange them on the shelf.
hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So I decided to use these kitchen towels to use them as my base so that I can put my glasses and the plates here to avoid them getting a lot of dust and everything. And I just hope that this will prevent it, because it was that at this point that I realized that I need to buy the cabinets mats. Yeah, there are those cabinet mats that are sold in Kamukunji as a roll, and I know that they will fit well on these cabinets, and so I'll be looking forward to getting one so that yeah, it can serve its purpose instead of using these kitchen towels. But at the moment, they will serve me. They will serve me. Well, guys, who wouldn't want to have such a kitchen, a cabinet well arranged? Yani, my kitchenwares are shining, very clean, well organized. You can see what you want to pick from the shelves, if you want the cups, if you want the plates, if you want the glasses, and they are shining, very clean. And I'm so proud of myself because this was the work of my hands, and I'm so proud of that. And so, guys, I hope that you're still being motivated while watching this. And now this is on the other side, and this is where I store my food items. I store my storage jars where I store my cereals, the spices, and all that. And so on this side, it's not usually that dirty because I do use these things almost every day now and then, and so I wipe them off as I use them. And so on this side, I'll just be wiping it off because I know it's not that dirty. I'll just pass it off. Yeah.
By your side, call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
I also did a small restock of what I did not have on my shelves. And so I'll be wiping off the spice jars and the storage jars, and then I'll be replenishing them.
We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion reasons, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? If you ever need a helper, hey, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just wanna, yeah, I just wanna. You're my dream, but I just wanna.
Deep inside, I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Yeah, this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and night with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know that.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. How do you feel? How do you feel? Because I'm feeling so good. Seeing my cabinets this well arranged, clean. Yani, my spice jars are clean, crystal clear because they have been cleaned. Yeah, and I'm feeling so good. Look at that cabinet, clean, no dirt at all, at all, at all. And you can also do the same to your cabinets. All you have to do is to get a day and dedicated to cleaning. Yeah, you cannot do everything all together, that is like one day, but you can just have that day that you will concentrate on your cabinets. And now, to the last part that I want to concentrate on cleaning is this part that we call under the sink. This is where I store all my plastic items, the pots that I'm not using, yani anything that I don't use at all, at all, at all. This is where I keep it. And as you can see, they are very dirty. Actually, this is where all the dirt was, yeah. And I guess it's because I don't use them in a month. I can use them once, and yeah, so that is why there was a lot of dust in this place. As you can see, even this pot has some like molds, yeah, because I don't use it unless I have guests coming. That is when I'll use them. And yeah, I have so many pans, as you can see, and I don't use all of them. Actually, I will only use one out of 4. And also, this is where I store my pressure cooker. Also, guys, you see this lemon squeezer? Yeah, I have never used it. It's still new. I don't know why I bought it, but it's still new. Then I have these trays. These trays, guys, I also don't use them, but I bought them, yeah. Then I have this double-sided pan. You can see how dirty it is. It is very dirty, guys, because this double-sided pan, I have only used it once. Now, this was as a result of peer pressure, guys. That was what I was talking about when I was saying peer pressure can make you buy so many stuff, especially in our kitchen, that we don't use.
That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So guys, as I was cleaning these utensils, in mind I wanted to do a declutter. Especially of these plastic things. You see, everything that is inside this black pot, they are plastics, yeah. And now guys, tell me why I did not declutter even one item. I returned everything to where I got them from, and I decided that I'll do it another day. Reason being, I was like, these plastic, I can use them. Like the plastic jars, I can use them somewhere. I don't know where, but sometimes decluttering something, especially if you are attached to those things, can be very difficult unless you have set your mind that I want to do this. Yeah, and that is why sometimes decluttering is like a disorder. Yeah, some people say that it's like a disorder, yeah, because you are trying to let go of something that you are attached to, yeah, and so letting them go can be difficult. And actually I witnessed that today because I did not declutter anything. And mind you, these are plastic containers that I don't use, but now letting them go was very difficult. Tell me in the comment section if you are that person who is also attached to so many things that you cannot let go of easily, because like this plastic, all these are plastic guys, and I don't use them only because I was using them to store my spice jar, and as you have seen, I bought the glass jars. So all these plastic jars, where will I use them?
The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Oh baby, if you ever need a helper, hey, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. You're my dream, but I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. But I just want it.
Deep inside, I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Now this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and night with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show it my best friend. She's in my life, my happy end in hard times.
Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it.
Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Okay.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah.
And guys, I was done with cleaning everything, and now it was time to return everything to where I do store them. And here I was storing now my pressure cooker, because I was already done with cooking my cereals. And yeah, I hope that so far you've been motivated just by watching this video. Kindly do like the video, and at the end of it, kindly leave your comment down below, and I promise that I will reply to all your comments. And guys, as you can see, this is how my under the sink turned out. As you can see, everything is shining. That means that they are clean, clean. Actually, I'm not believing that this is where there was full of dust. Yani everything was coated with dust, and I'm so happy. So thank you so much guys for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video up until now. I am so grateful, and as I always say, wewe ni yule msee. Thank you for being here. Nawapenda sana. See you on my next video. Bye bye.